Ready, start. The owner of a small business must consider whether his sales can profitably be increased by advertising. The seller of price maintain goods is not likely to gain extra business by advertising. The manufacturers attend to this work for him. It is normally necessary to advertise when that is the only method by which contact with potential customers can be effected, or when the special facilities or goods offered are thought to be insufficiently well known by those who might become customers. Much small business advertising is likely to be competitive, having as its object the transaction of business which otherwise might go elsewhere. It is capable of becoming a valuable sales aid if it is properly handled after careful study of its possibilities. This requires much skill, otherwise, the expenses incurred outweigh the results. The purpose of advertising may be to produce personal or postal inquiries or to effect sales through the post. The latter, sometimes termed mail order business, especially requires a particular technique as the articles offered cannot be inspected first by the customer, although he can have his money refunded if he is not satisfied. The price too must be attractive. There must be, in fact, be salesmanship of a high order packed into the small piece of an advertisement, and if possible literature such as a catalog which customers may see before deciding to buy. The scope for this type of business is considerable, especially in district remote from a good shopping center. Patent articles can often be sold by this means, and also articles which can be manufactured on mass production lines at low prices and sold direct to the customers. The addition of a mail order department to a shop can be the means of building up a good connection in a patent article. Dear Madam, we thank you for your inquiry in response to our newspaper advertisement and have much pleasure in enclosing an illustrated list herewith. We think you will find all the information you require therein, but if there is anything else you wish to know, we will do our best to help you. The machine is simple in operation and can easily be learned by following the illustrated instruction book which we supply with each machines. The cash price delivered in 28 pounds as quoted with 1 pound extra for the case, this latter sum being refunded when the case is returned. If you require higher purchase terms, there can be arranged on a basis of £6 deposit and £3 per month for 8 months, and if a stand is required, can be supplied color to match at £2 17 extra, and there would be a slight adjustment in the higher purchase terms. We would point out that the demand in response to our advertisement has been greater than we anticipated, and delivery at present is about 6 weeks. But if you care to place your order, this will be dealt with in strict rotation, and when the machine is ready, we will write you for a necessary cash, and in the case of higher purchase we will send you the appropriate norms for completion. The machines can be viewed by the appointment if desired. When ordered, please state the size and gauge of cylinder and dial together with the color required, and also whether any additional items are wanted. As all wool restrictions have now been removed, we can supply all your requirements in this respect, assuring you of our at best attention to any instruction given to us. Yours faithfully.